Oh, my balls!
We gotta check out some of the flying blows to the right side of the face. Sidney Porter from Grey Wolf with that intensity. He just shoves Sidney Porter out of the ring. He goes, hey, man, you were fired for a reason, so get out of the ring. Like I said, the stakes are huge. For Sidney Porter, he has an opportunity that silences naysayers. I mean, he got quote-unquote future endeavors. Now he wants to come back and make a statement by getting in there and pinning, or not pinning, excuse me, putting the International Heavyweight Champion through a table to win the title.
That'll be a hell of a statement. I don't think it matters to Sidney Porter who he puts through the table. I think it just matters to Sidney Porter that he walks out the International Heavyweight Champion.
Another slam. Tell you what, the fans that perhaps you might be going to get a tip. Get this thing over with.
How's that supposed to be blood all over him? I mean, it's
war paint.
It's war paint. He calls himself the last warrior. What's that about?
Why don't you go ask him?
I'm asking you. You're sitting here in the broadcast booth. You're supposed to know these things.
Well, here's the thing. You can ask Grey Wolf, but the response that you're going to get is something that you're not going to really ever be able to repeat again, because he'll tell you his story. And
I don't want to know the guy's story. I want to know why he's called the Last Warrior. Was he in some kind of battle? Was he in some kind of is he in like Gettysburg or some crap, or like why does he call himself the Last Warrior? Is he like an Indian brave?
You see any other warriors looking quite like that in professional
I don't see any other warriors around.
Because he's the last one.
The last of what, though? That's my question to you. You're just driving me around in circles here, mister. There's a match going on and you can't answer a question.
See the deliberacy of the shots going right back and forth. I mean, there's just intensity and there's all kinds of bad emotions going on from Sidney Porter when he delivers a shot. It's almost to say, hey, you know what? This is what you fans have been missing out on. This is what you guys. This is what you as a company are missing out.
He's silencing those naysayers that you were talking about earlier. That's what he's doing.
You know what? He's not doing a whole lot of silencing anybody when he's lying on his back right now.
Well, he's doing that and he took a suplex. That'll silence the crap out of you. Windmill punches there from Grey Wolf. He calls himself Grey Wolf. I'm not seeing a whole lot of gray in the outfit though. Maybe like Red Wolf or Brown Wolf.
You ask too many questions.
I want to know about this guy. You don't seem to know anything about him. I asked the tough questions.
Well, go ask him these questions.
He's a little busy right now. He's kind of defending his title in a tables match.
All right, well, January 14th, when DCW returns to action, before you come out here and you do commentary, you go up to Grey Wolf and you ask him all these questions that you're asking me now.
Maybe I'll do that. Grey Wolf needed to be there.
It was a payback.
Oh! Neckbreaker.
It was a rude awakening from Grey Wolf. Rapture.
As long as he doesn't start shaking his hips around, we don't need to see any of that.
Sidney Porter through that table. Send him back to the future endeavors line.
That table. What happens if Grey Wolf breaks the table himself? Is Sidney Porter automatically win? There we go. Sidney Porter taking some control there now. Get that stupid beard off his face.
That's coming out glued here. Got a, it was like a spine buster. That was a combo. But, damn.
No cars here.
Short arm reversal. Oh, it looked like he was gonna go over a spine buster, but he dropped it down for a Manhattan drop right across the, what'd you call that area?
Jimmy's?
Right, yeah, Jimmy's. Yes, he dropped it.
A lot of Jimmy hits tonight. Did you notice that? Low blows and stuff. It's the second low blow from Grey Wolf in this match.
Attempted a suplex. Blocked by Sidney Porter twice.
And Sidney Porter still coming out. Still coming non-stop. Here we go. The table's set up right in the middle of the ring now. Sidney Porter's going to put him away. Oh!
Into the midsection. Sidney Porter and then sends him repeatedly into that table head first. Scoop him up.
This could be it! No, no, no! Oh. Sidney Porter just barely saved himself. Look at that table.
Fingers in the eyes. Did you see that?
Yeah. You know what's on the line here. You can't blame the guy. It's not after two low blows from Grey Wolf. The Manhattan drop was pretty much a low blow. Hit him right in the jaw.
That was in return of a low blow done by Sidney Porter. Just before that.
I didn't notice that. Oh, big DDT! Big DDT from Sidney Porter. Ooh. Sidney Porter needs to hit it right here. Oh my God! Right in the rib cage.
That's the dangers of having foreign objects in the ring.
What if the table breaks you? Sidney Porter needs to hit something big here.
Looks like,
wait a minute. Get off that table. Get off that table. Oh! Right in the funny bone.
Heard the thud of that. Feel that. Doesn't look like all the shots taking the Grey Wolf from Sidney Porter aren't really doing a whole lot of damage, but they are doing some.
There you go. Put him through the table.
He's still got a lot of fight in him because he's a warrior.
Well, we saw that side slam. He's taking the fight right out of the warrior.
And he's going to go for a power bomb or a pile driver here. He's back by a drop. From right in that position. He'll go right through that table.
Oh, slam him right in the corner. See, you don't know when everything's coming. You don't know everything's going wrong.
I think
Heels him right across that ring.
I think you said you know everything that's going on.
I know a good amount of things that happen. I got my fingers going through everything. I got my hand in everything. You know what I'm talking about. You mumble. Shots in the corner from the Gray Wolf. Oh! Oh, God, he hit the ref right in the throat.
Look at him, broke his nose. I don't know if Credit Rest is going to be able to get up.
Caught the ref right in the throat, nose, and face area. And a big spine buster there from Sidney Porter. What's Shannon Hunter doing?